Number 1. 1976 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. The truck is finished in black both inside and out, giving it a bold, classic appearance. Powered by a fresh 5.3 LLS engine swap paired with a bulletproof Muncie M22 4-speed transmission, it offers a strong and reliable foundation, making it an excellent candidate for a street machine or a customizable project. This Chevy has been lowered on Beltec spindles and rides on US wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra tires, giving it a clean, aggressive stance. It also comes with a fresh driveline, ensuring dependable performance. The frame is solid, showing no signs of rust, and the cab corners and floors remain in good condition. Some front-end work is needed. New tie rods are already included but have not yet been installed. Both the interior and exterior would benefit from a thorough cleaning and detailing to restore their full appeal. Number 2. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,200, equipped with an 8-foot bed and a reliable 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission featuring overdrive. With 197,000 miles on the odometer, this truck was previously owned by a single long-term owner who maintained it exceptionally well. It runs and drives beautifully, offering smooth performance and dependable handling. The interior is in excellent condition, complemented by an updated stereo system that enhances the driving experience. The underside of the truck is clean, and every component functions exactly as it should. Key features include the durable 8-foot bed for ample cargo space, the strong and proven 350 V8 engine, an automatic transmission with overdrive for efficient highway driving, and a well-preserved interior with modern stereo updates. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a white exterior paired with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a reliable V8 engine and a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, it delivers solid performance on the road, mostly stock aside from the wheels and a lowered stance. The Chevy maintains much of its original character. The interior is in remarkably good condition, almost perfect considering its age and mileage, while the exterior presents decently, cleaning up nicely despite the paint being around a 5 out of 10. The current owner acquired the truck through a trade and has not had it for long, so they may not know every detail of its maintenance history. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1980 Ford F100, price $6,500, features a 3-speed manual transmission, 3 on the tree, paired with a carbureted 4.9L 300 inline-6 engine, delivering a classic driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate. Finished in blue inside and out, this truck runs on gasoline and comes equipped with manual steering and brakes, while the heater is fully functional. As a factory model, it does not include air conditioning. It rides on Falken Wild Peak tires and sits on a solid frame, adding to its sturdy and dependable character. This well-kept vintage Ford pickup draws plenty of attention wherever it goes, admired for its originality and charm. The current owner purchased it 4 years ago from the original owner's son-in-law. For most of its life, the truck served as a reliable farm vehicle and was occasionally used for short trips to town. While it still wears its original paint, it shows typical signs of age such as bumps, dings, scratches, and areas of rust on the cab corners, drip rails, and floor pans, all consistent with its vintage nature. Number 5. 1992 Ford F150, price $6,800. It has approximately 175,000 miles on it and is equipped with a manual transmission. The truck features a sleek black exterior paired with a clean gray interior and runs on gasoline. Despite its age and mileage, this F150 has been extensively upgraded and well cared for, with thousands of dollars invested in new parts over the past year. It boasts a 9-inch Skyjacker lift kit that enhances its off-road capability and overall stance, along with brand new wheels wrapped in fresh 35-inch tires that provide a bold, aggressive look. These upgrades not only improve performance but also give the truck a commanding road presence. While everything functions as it should, the air conditioning system is currently not working, and there is a minor power steering leak. Number 6. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. The exterior is finished in silver, complemented by a blue interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck only needs a new coat of paint, but otherwise, it has been a dependable daily driver and is ready to go anywhere. It's equipped with a rebuilt 5.3L engine from a Tahoe, paired with long tube headers and a Holley Terminator X Max ECU for improved performance and tuning. It also features ICT billet motor and AC brackets, enhancing reliability and engine setup. For handling and appearance, it rides on stylish US mags wheels and includes a locker rear end for better traction. Comfort and practicality are boosted with tinted windows that come with a lifetime warranty, a bed topper, and a brand new 4L65 E2WD transmission with only about 100 miles on it. Number 7. 1965 Ford F250, price $7,500. The truck features a manual transmission with both the exterior and interior finished in green, creating a cohesive vintage look. Powered by a 390 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed gearbox, this classic truck runs and drives exceptionally well. It has been fitted with 4 brand new all-terrain tires and has been winterized for reliable performance in colder conditions. Additional highlights include new headers, no exhaust or oil leaks, and power steering for smoother handling. The truck was repainted approximately 30 years ago and remains in overall good condition, with solid floorboards and a clean title. Number 8. 1970 Chevrolet C10, price $7,800. It has approximately 109,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in red, while the interior is black. It runs on gasoline and is currently in running and driving condition. Restoration work has already begun, with a rebuilt small block Chevy 355 engine that has about 28,000 miles since the build. The vehicle has received numerous updates, including a new fuel system, a new charging and starting system, a new cooling system, and a new hydraulic brake system. It also has a new windshield, as well as recent transmission and differential servicing. The truck is equipped with a positraction rear end and newer tires. Contributing to improved traction and reliability, additional upgrades include a new rubber floor mat, a replacement instrument bezel, and ongoing electrical work with wiring repairs and new bulbs installed. Although the steering column could benefit from a rebuild, it is currently functioning properly. Number 9. 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $2,150, features an automatic transmission paired with a 5.2-liter V8 Magnum engine. It runs and drives reliably anywhere you need to go, offering solid performance for its age. The truck has a red exterior with a gray interior and operates on gasoline. Despite being 29 years old, it remains in good working condition, though it shows some expected cosmetic wear for its age. It comes equipped with all-terrain tires and includes the original rims. This Dodge Ram is a 2-wheel drive model with a Texas Blue salvage title. Overall, this truck combines dependable mechanical performance with rugged appeal, making it a solid choice for someone looking for a classic, capable pickup. Prospective buyers are welcome to bring their own mechanic and take it for a test drive. Number 10. 1990 GMC Extended Cab, price $4,500. It has approximately 130,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior feature a red finish, giving the truck a classic, cohesive look. The vehicle runs and drives smoothly, powered by a fuel-injected 454 engine paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission. It has been fitted with a 3-to-4 lowering kit, enhancing its stance and handling. Additional upgrades include a Hydro Boost brake system, new exhaust, tilt steering column, and a new aluminum radiator with dual electric fans for improved cooling performance. The truck also retains its factory GM bedliner, maintaining the bed's durability and original condition. It comes with a clean green Oklahoma title registered under the current owner's name, reflecting its well-kept and properly maintained history.